This video will show you the different ways in which you can insert a Google document into your page. It's likely that some of you will make presentations and essays and various other documents that you might like to include in the pages to help out your peers. There are a couple of different ways of doing this, and I'm just going to show you the two. One of them is slightly more effective than the other. Okay, so the first way, over on the left hand side, if you click Insert and then just scroll down to Drive, okay? The best way to include your document is to ensure that it's saved in your Drive. Please watch the other videos for dealing with your Drive. Okay, you would click on Document or Presentation or Image, depending on what it was you wanted to include. So I'm just going to click on Document here. And I'm just going to include this one for an example, so click Select. Now the best way to obviously stick with the clean theme of the site is just to untick both of these and change the height, because it does come out slightly large on the page, so I'm just going to move it down to 400 pixels and click Save. Okay, as you can see, I've got a little box there to show that it's inserted, so I'm just going to click the blue Save button on the top right hand side. Okay, and as you can see, what it's done is that it's edited that document within the page. Now, for certain aspects of your site, that might suit you. However, if we have documents like that all over the site, it will soon become quite cluttered. So I'm going to show you the preferred way of doing it through linking to a document in your Google Drive. So I'm just going to click on Edit the Page here and take out that one that I've done. Okay, so I'm going to show you one thing you could do to insert your document. So what I'm going to do is go over to my Drive. I'm going to select the document that I'd like to share. Now what you need to do is make sure that the document is going to be visible to other people. So if you click on Share and then Share again, what I'd like you to do is change from private to anyone who has the link can access. Now, depending on what the document is, you might like them to interact with it in different ways. Perhaps a group of you need to edit the document and you'd like everybody to go in and make whatever changes they'd like. If that's the case, then you need to go to the bottom and change Can View to Can Edit. Now, it might just be the case that you've written an essay and you would like some peer comment and feedback on it, in which case change it to Can Comment. But anyone with the link is the best thing to do. If you have public on the web, it's probably not a great idea because people outside of our group may be able to access that document. So if you click on anyone with the link and then click Save. Okay, now what you've got at the top there is a link to share. So if you right click and copy that, then click Done on your document, you're going to go back into the site. And what I could do is just paste the link then and there. As you can see, that doesn't look great on the page. So instead, I'm just going to cut that and I'm going to say essay from Hannah. Okay, so everybody knows briefly what the item is. I'm going to highlight those words that I've typed, and on the top editing bar, I'm just going to click on Link, Web Address over on the left hand side, paste in your link. Make sure you tick Open this link in a new window, click OK, and then you've got your document linked. So if you click on Save, and then if I click on that link, it will open the document in a new tab. Okay, so those are the two different ways of getting a document, presentation, spreadsheet, etc. into your page. However, this second method is the preferred method most of the time.